When your Shih Tzu looks at you, do you know what they actually see? You probably think they see their owner, their favorite person, their best friend. But the truth is far more extraordinary than that. And when you understand what science has actually discovered, the way you look at your Shih Tzu will change completely. Most owners have no idea, which means they are missing something profound, happening right in front of them, every single day. Let us start with what your Shih Tzu really sees when they look at you. 1. You may have heard that cats think you are just a big cat, that they see no difference between you and another member of their colony. But do not make the mistake of thinking the same applies to your Shih Tzu, because dogs did something that cats never did. Over more than 15,000 years of living alongside humans, dogs developed an entirely separate set of social behaviors, exclusively for us. Scientists call this the human-canine bond, and there is nothing else like it, anywhere in the animal kingdom. Your Shih Tzu does not look at you and see a fellow dog. They look at you and see something they have been hardwired, across thousands of generations, to seek out, trust, and attach to, not an equal, not a pack member, something closer, to a lifeline. Brian Hare, a cognitive scientist at Duke University in North Carolina, who has spent his entire career studying dog cognition, found that dogs have developed a unique ability to read human social cues that even our closest primate relatives cannot match. When you point at something across the room, your Shih Tzu follows your finger. A chimpanzee does not do that. A wolf raised by humans does not either. Your Shih Tzu understands the language of human intention in a way that is almost unsettling, because it means they did not just learn to live around us. They evolved to understand us, and that understanding shapes everything about how your Shih Tzu sees you every single day. What scientists discovered about how that bond actually works inside your Shih Tzu's brain, we will get to later in this video, and when you hear it, it will hit differently than you expect. 2. Your Shih Tzu rehearses your return while you are gone. Think about what happens the moment you grab your keys off the counter. Their ears go up. They follow you to the door. Some pace back and forth. Some whine. Some sit and stare at the door, long after you have already left for work. For years, people chalked this up to separation anxiety and left it at that. But researchers started asking a different question. What is actually happening inside a dog during those long hours home alone? What they found was remarkable. Studies tracking dogs left alone in American homes showed that stress hormones spike within minutes of the owner leaving. Their heart rate rises. Their body enters a state of low-level alert. But here is the part that stops most people cold. When researchers played recordings of the owner's voice to dogs left alone, their stress levels dropped almost immediately. Not at the sound of any human voice, specifically at the sound of their owner. And it is not just sound, your scent does the same thing. A study from Emory University in Atlanta found that when dogs were exposed to different scents, only one activated the reward center of the brain, the part associated with love, pleasure, and positive anticipation. That scent was yours, not their food bowl, not another dog. You. Your Shih Tzu is not simply waiting for you to come home from the office. They are holding on to you in every way their biology allows until you walk back through that front door. 3. Your Shih Tzu reads your face better than most people do. When you look at another person's face, your eyes naturally drift to the left side of their face first. Scientists call this the left gaze bias. It happens automatically because the right side of the human brain which processes emotion, controls the left side of the face, and we evolved to read that. Here is what is extraordinary. Your Shih Tzu does the exact same thing, but only with humans. When researchers showed dogs images of human faces, dog faces, and everyday objects, the dogs consistently showed a left gaze bias, only for human faces, not for other dogs, not for anything else. They developed a way, specifically directed at humans, of reading emotion. That is why your Shih Tzu often knows you had a rough day at work, before you have said a single word or dropped your bag at the door. They are reading micro-expressions in your face with a precision that took thousands of years to develop. And it goes even further. Dogs can distinguish between happy and angry human faces. Even in photographs of complete strangers they have never met, they know what a human frown means, without ever being taught. So, the next time your Shih Tzu quietly walks over to you on the couch and rests their head in your lap after a hard day, understand that they did not guess. They read it in your face, processed it in a brain shaped by 15,000 years of paying attention to yours, and made a decision. They chose to come. 4. The direction in which your Shih Tzu wags their tail is a complete sentence. Most Americans assume a wagging tail simply means a happy dog, but scientists discovered something that changes that assumption entirely. It is not just whether the dog wags, it is which direction they wag. When a dog sees something that triggers a positive emotional response, their owner coming home from work, a familiar friend walking through the door, something they love, the wag skews to the right. More movement on the right side. When a dog feels uncertain, anxious, or is facing a stranger that puts them on edge, the wag skews to the left. And here is what makes it even more remarkable. Other dogs can read this in real time. Researchers in Italy found that when dogs were shown videos of other dogs wagging to the right, they stayed calm and relaxed. When shown dogs wagging to the left, their own heart rates increased. Their bodies responded to the signal automatically. Your Shih Tzu has a tail vocabulary they never had to learn. They were born with it, and they use it every single day. The height of the wag carries meaning too. Tail held high and wagging fast signals confidence and excitement. Tail low and moving slowly can signal submission or appeasement. So your Shih Tzu is not just wagging at you, they are talking to you, and they have been doing it every single day, waiting for you to listen. 5. You are the center of your Shih Tzu's entire world, and there is a neurochemical reason for that. In 2015, a landmark study published in the journal Science made headlines across the United States and around the world. Researchers found that when dogs and their owners simply gazed into each other's eyes, both the dog and the human showed a significant rise in oxytocin, the bonding hormone, the same chemical that surges between a mother and her newborn baby in those very first moments after birth. Let that sink in for a moment. Your Shih Tzu looks at you, and their brain releases the same chemistry that humans use to bond with their newborn children, and when you look back at them, yours does too. This is not sentiment. This is not pet owners projecting emotions onto their animals. This is a documented biological loop, a feedback cycle of bonding that your Shih Tzu triggers simply by looking at you. And remember what we talked about at the very beginning. How dogs evolved specifically to read human faces, follow human cues, and respond to human emotions in ways no other animal on Earth can. This is what that evolution was building toward. A creature that does not just live alongside you in your home, a creature that is neurochemically wired to you. Your Shih Tzu does not simply tolerate your presence. They do not just accept you as part of their environment. You are the reason their brain releases its most powerful bonding chemical. You are the scent their reward center lights up for. You are the face their eyes have evolved specifically to read. Your Shih Tzu does not see a human when they look at you. They do not see an owner. They see the one presence their entire biology was built to find. They see you. And to them, that is everything.